Hello students, today we will solve exercise 3.3 of Peshawar Board, Pakistan. The chapter is logarithm. Find characteristics of common logarithm of each of the following numbers. In this question we have to only find characteristic. Okay. So the first part is 57. So here we have two methods. Okay. I will solve with first method. First method. Write this number in scientific notation. This is in standard form. The point is over here, so we can write it as 5.7 into 10 raised to power 1. So this one is our characteristic. Okay, this is the first method. Second method is the easiest one and the short method. Okay, you have to count the numbers to the left side of decimal point. So in this case we don't see any decimal point, it means it is in the last. Okay, so so count the numbers 1 2 and minus 1. Okay, the one is, it is fixed, minus 1 is fixed. You have to count the numbers to the right side of the decimal point. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, so 1 will be the characteristic. Okay, this is the second method, and we will solve the rest of the question on this second method because this is the easiest one, and also these questions often come in the form of MCQs, so you don't need calculation or solution. Okay, you have to jump to the answer straight away. Now the second part is 7.4. Okay, in this case digit toward the left side of the decimal point is only 1. Okay, so 1, and you have to minus 1. This minus 1 is fixed. Okay, now the answer is 0. So characteristic of this question or this part is 0. Now third part, 5.63. Okay, the digit towards the left side of decimal point is 1. So minus 1 is equal to 0. In this case also the characteristic is 0. Now fourth part is 982.5. So count the digit to the right, to the left side of decimal point, that is 1 2 3. Write 3 and minus 1, so 2. 2 is the characteristic. Now part 5, which is 7 8 2 and 4. Okay, in this case you don't see any decimal point, so it means it is in the end. Now count the number to the left side of decimal point, 1 2 3 4. 4 subtract 1, you will get 3. So 3 is the characteristic of this part. So this method only works for the numbers which are greater than 1. So you see these all numbers are greater than 157, it is greater than 1, this number is also greater than 1, this number is also greater than 1, this is also greater than 1, and so on. What if when the number is less than 1? In this case you see the number 0.7 is less than 1. So in this case you cannot apply this method. You have to apply another method in which now you have to count non-zero digits, non-zero or the zero digits to the right side of decimal point. In this case we don't have any zero digit to immediately to the right side of decimal point. So in this case the formula will be minus number of digit to the right side of decimal point. In this case we don't have any digit, so put 0, and according to formula you have to put the plus sign. Okay, you have to put the plus sign. So your answer will be minus 0, and plus 1. So put the plus sign over here. So your answer will be 0 plus 1 1, and minus into 1 minus 1. So characteristics in this case will be minus 1. Okay, let's say we have another question to further clarify it. 0.00083. Okay, so this number is less than 1, so we have to apply this method, means second method. Now count the number of zero after decimal point. Okay, so the formula is minus number of zeros to the right side of decimal point, which are 1, 2 and 3. So put 3 and then according to formula you have to plus them. Okay, now 3 plus 4, so your characteristic is minus 4. Okay, you can also solve it manually by shifting this decimal point to 1, 2, 3, 4 towards over here. 0.0083. Write it in scientific notation. So you can write 8.3 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4. So this minus 4 is your characteristic of the question. So I hope you understand this question. If so, then please like this video, also subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. See you in next question. Thank you.